Yup, today I'm going to show you how to flip on your creativity in the piano roll of FL Studio. This is FL keys. Everybody have this if you have FL Studio, so let's jump in it. I showed how to create these chords. It's just the same chords here. You don't need to learn music theory to create this. I showed how to do it in FL Studio piano roll. I'll leave that video in the video card so you can check it out. Today I'm going to show you how to flip on your creativity in the piano roll of FL Studio, and it's very simple. Copy it. Instead of the stuff to repeat 2 times, I'm going to flip this. Come here, this arrow here, go to tools, then come to this flip. It has the shortcut Alt Y. Left click that, and we have a flip here. Some stuff here. If you take off this preserve start, the first notes remain the same, but the rest notes shift a little bit backward. I don't want that. So the horizontal flip is just the other side, while the vertical flip carries these 2 up, something like that. Takes these 2 up. Just look at it. Look at the horizontal flip. Now look at the vertical flip. Nice job for vertical flip, but there's a note that's not on the key there, so I'll stay with the horizontal flip. So the default is just okay. I'll just hit accept now. Let's hear it, the full one. So that's it. That's how to flip on your creativity in the piano roll of FL Studio. Like this video if you like it. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss anything when we drop new dope videos to help you in your music and in music production. I'm a Pro Tool. It's alloneprostudio. That's it.
See me small, don't believe your eyes. Don't give in to a terror of lies.